Hello everyone. Today we will be installing Kali Linux on VMware, and if you want to install VMware, then that video link is in description. First we will download the Kali Linux file for VMware, and for that search Kali Linux on Google. Click on first site and download. Here you will see many download options like bare metal or complete Kali Linux, virtual machines, ARM, mobile, cloud, containers, WSL or even live boot. Click on virtual machines option and here you can download it for VMware or VirtualBox. Download the VMware file, and if you want to install it in VirtualBox, then that video link is in description. File size is 2.5 GB, but speed is good. After downloading, extract the file, then you will see this folder which contains Kali Linux files for VMware. Now, in VMware, click on Open a virtual machine and select the file in that folder. Now, start the machine. It will automatically start without any setup. The default username and password is Kali. This is the home screen of Kali Linux. In the top left, we have all the apps and settings. Let's run the browser, which is Firefox. It's been so long since I last used Kali Linux. Enabling full screen in VMware is pretty easy. Just go in Display Settings and change resolution. Now it's looking good. It has a lot of tools and settings to explore if you have got time. So this was it, Kali Linux installation in VMware. Thanks for watching.